Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind these are general readings. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. And yeah, one thing that I wanted to tell you is that this is a reading from 21st of September till the 30th of September. Okay, let's start. Let's start, Leos. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is Leo. Your partner's current energy right now is Leo. Chariot. I feel like this person right now is trying their best to move on in their life or get something specific in life. Or the chariot also means that they want to be in this connection with you because they feel like you are their comfort zone. They don't want to leave the comfort zone and they don't want to leave this, leave this connection where they are feeling like everything is sorted, nothing is messed up, nothing is fucked up. I don't see feelings here, but as of now, let me see. Their current energy right now is telling me that they want to move on and they want to do something big in life, and that's why they are just trying to be trying to behave like a warrior. Might be they are behaving weird with you, but right now this person is trying to get some kind of success or victory in their life related to, might be their job or business or work. Let me clarify. There are so many meanings to only to one card, so I can't tell you exactly without clarifying. Let me see. Chariot. Cancerian's energy is here. Five of Pentacles. Emperor could be dealing with an Aries here. The High Priestess. Yeah, this person is trying to walk away from the energy of this connection. From this connection might be right now. They're trying. I'm telling you, they're not feeling, might be their feelings. I will tell you exactly what they are feeling, exactly what is going on in their mind. But right now they are very determined to get something done in their life. That's why they feel like this is not the right time to be in a relationship. It's not about they're leaving you for somebody else or they are trying to leave you for somebody else. But right now they have took a decision. They have took a decision that they are going to listen to their intuition. And their intuition right now is telling them to shift their focus on something else. Not someone else, on something else. Okay, Leo, this is the energy. Five of Pentacles, the Emperor and the High Priestess. They are being very silent with you. Of late might be they are not responding well to you or to your text or messages or whatever, because this person right now is trying to do something bigger in their life, planning to do something else in their life. Relationship is not their number one priority. Their current energy is this. We will see about the future. Let me see what's your current energy. It could be your energy also, Leo, by the way. It could be your energy also. I told you the roles can be reversed anytime. Let me see your current energy right now. King of Wands, very passionate. You are wearing your heart on your sleeves. You are ready to take any kind of risk. You are feeling like I am going to do whatever I am passionate for. I'm not going to stop for anybody. I'm not going to mold my ways or compromise in any kind of situation. I'm just going to do whatever I feel is right for me. Whatever I am passionate about, I'm just going to do that. This is what's your current energy. Let me clarify the King of Wands for you. Let me see. Eight of Wands, King of Wands, Two of Swords. So I feel like you might be traveling the world, you might be exploring new things, you might be trying to relocate, you might be trying to do something very different that you used to do. So you might be trying to relocate, or you might be trying to settle down in a foreign country, or you might be trying to go on a vacation or something, because you are deeply hurt from inside. You're deeply hurt from inside. You are on the crossroads in your life. You're not being able to make any kind of decision regarding your love life right now, Leos. That's why you are just trying to do whatever you are passionate about. You are trying to cover up your emotions with your passion. This is what is happening with you, Leos. This is the truth. You are on the crossroads right now in your life. You are not being able to decide which way to go. That's why you are wearing a mask, like I will handle whatever is going to happen. I will just handle everything in my life. and I will follow my passion. I will follow my passion of traveling. I will follow my passion of acting, or I'll follow my passion of whatever you are passionate about, and you are ready to take the risk. You are the risk taker here. This is your energy. You are like, yeah, I will handle everything, fucking everything in my life. Cool. Let me see what your person feels for you, their feelings for you. Their feelings for you. Star could be dealing with an Aquarius here. They are feeling hopeful. They are feeling healing. They are feeling the healing energy between you guys. They are feeling like this relationship should get healed. There is very hurtful situation between you guys. There is some kind of very hurtful situation between you guys that needs healing, and this person is feeling very hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine. This relationship is going to be healed. Our connection is going to be healed. The connection between you guys is going to be healed, and there will be clarity in the future. Let me clarify the star as their feelings for you. Okay. Nine of Swords, and the Hierophant in reverse, and the Eight of Swords. This person is very stressed about the commitment part, about the marriage part. They are feeling like they're in some kind of mental jail. But they are hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine in the future. I don't think it is going to be fine in the future. It is going to be all messed up in the future if you are not going to take care of these emotions right now. Might be you or them, I don't know, but one of you is thinking about the marriage thing and commitment thing, and the other party is not thinking about that, and they are just very worried, very stressed about this part, this commitment and marriage part. There's a blockage in the commitment and marriage part, and they're very stressed about this. They are feeling like they're in some kind of mental jail right now, and that's why they are feeling like, what should I do, but they are just hopeful and positive, like, yes, everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be healed just magically. It's not going to happen like this. They're very positive, hopeful, everything is there, but still beneath this surface of positivity there is hell lot of negativity, there is hell lot of stress, there is hell lot of depression, anxiety, stress, everything. They are very messed up right now. They are feeling like, what should I do to make this person understand that I am not ready for commitment and marriage right now, and I am not able to sleep because of this energy, because of this stress, because of this anxiety that they are constantly pressurizing, that they are constantly putting on me. This is very complicated feeling that they are carrying for you right now. Not ready to leave you, not ready to stay with you. Gosh. Let's see what this person wants from you, Leo. I'm a Leo rising. I can definitely connect to this. And this is vice versa in my condition. Okay. Let me see what this person wants from you. Oh God. Wait. Ten of Cups. They want to see you happy. They want to see you happy. They want to have a family with you, and they want to spend good time with you. This is what they want from you. This is the Ten of Cups energy. I don't feel like this person have some kind of negative or dramatic or some kind of stupid thoughts about you, stupid thinking about you. They think a lot about you, and in a very positive way. They think that you should be happy in your life. This is what they want. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups. They just want you to see. They just want to see you happy. This is beautiful. The Magician, the Page of Swords, and the Seven of Swords in reverse. They are manifesting to tell you a truth. Leo, they have something to tell you, and they want to tell you something, and they're manifesting that the truth should come out. And they feel like they are fearing that this truth might hurt you, and you will be very unhappy or depressed or sad or something like that. But they want your happiness. This is stupid. I feel like they are hiding something from you, but they are trying to tell you something that they were hiding, or they are hiding. They are trying their best. They feel like they are manifesting that. I am very confused how to say this. They are feeling like they should tell you something that they were hiding from you from a very long time, and they want you to be happy after hearing this truth. And I feel like this truth is not at all good, or not at all beautiful. Might be they want to tell you about somebody else, or something else, or a connection with somebody else. There is something that is very, very complicated here, and they want to make you understand that this thing is like this, and this is going to be like this. And that is why this person right now is very, very stressed, because they are not being able to understand how to make you understand. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But this person just wants to see you happy, but without them. They want to be friends with you, they want to be with you throughout your life, they want to be in connection with you, but they are not ready for marriage or commitment as of now. Because there is somebody else in the equation, might be, or there is something else in the equation that is making them take this decision, that I should talk to my Leo, and the Leo person should be happy as fuck, because this truth might hurt them. Very difficult situation, Leo. God, let me see what is coming towards you till the end of September. Six of Pentacles. Okay, there will be balance coming in your life. There will be balance after so many ups and downs, after so many conflicts, after so many, negativity, toxicity. Some kind of balance is coming in your life. Emotional balance, I'm telling you. Emotional balance. You have been, might be you were very, very off balanced in your life lately, but right now some kind of balance is coming. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, the Four of Wands in reverse, and the Knight of Wands in reverse. You are just waiting. You are just waiting for somebody to come to you and give you a commitment of marriage and love and all this, and you are just waiting for someone to come towards you. But I feel like you will be finally able to understand that this is not going to happen like this, the way exactly I'm manifesting it, or the way exactly I'm visualizing it. So it's like you will be in a balanced state of mind, like, yeah, this is not going to happen like this. I will be like a little balanced now. I will just wait for the right time or the right person to come to me. This will happen to you till the end of September. You will make your mind and soul understand that, yeah, it's not every time, it's not like that every time we are going to get the same thing that we desire for. Sorry, that's the thing. Very complicated situation. Oh God. So thank you so much, Leos, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.